Here's a super quick and easy holiday smoky eye tutorial, starting with my base. This is the Bobbi Brown Intensive Serum Foundation, and then using my Giorgio Armani concealer just to brighten and conceal at the same time. And then for my lips, because they're super chapped, I'm using the Fresh lip balm and then going straight into my contour. I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury contour one because it's cooler, and then the Sona Cosmetics Dream Stick in Dune, which is much warmer, to sort of bronze and contour at the same time. For my highlighter, I'm using Dream Stick in gold. It's like a face balm basically, so it just gives you more of a natural highlight. Using a coral blush by Dior, and then filling in my brows with the Dior brow pencil and setting it in place with my Persona Swipe Up in warm brown. And then for my lips, I'm kind of doing the usual, a beautiful nude with Almond lip liner from Persona, and then Dominique Cosmetics nude lipstick. And then moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Persona Identity 2 palette per your request. I have been getting so many requests to do more looks with this palette, so here you are. Loyal on my crease to really open it up, and then I mixed Resilient with Honest, apply that all over the eyelids, and then Unique and Honest to really brighten up the inner corners. Kind of smudge the bottom lash line as well with Resilient, which is a beautiful bronze shade. Applied some liner to really smoke it out, and then I went back and applied Empowered because it's such a beautiful shade. If you have brown eyes, it really helps enhance it, and voila, this is the look. I'm really into these casual selfie style short form videos, so let me know if you want to see more.